Hi again, welcome back to our channel. Today we are delighted to share with you our favorite midweek supper. So the first thing we do, we prepare the vegetables. For this recipe, we used whatever vegetables we had in the fridge. This recipe helps me use all the extra vegetables we had from last week. I recommend you use your favorite vegetables. I like to keep the vegetables a little bit bigger and chop them lengthwise, just because I will cook them for longer and I don't want them to get mushy. After chopping everything, put them on the side. Now get your garlic and ginger paste ready. Now on a cooking pot, add some vegetable oil. Cook the onions for just a couple of minutes. Then we add the ginger and garlic paste we made earlier. Add the stock cube, some bay leaf, and cook them until they're soft. In the meantime, the stock cubes will melt in nicely. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder, some cardamom and cloves, some paprika powder. I'm adding some black pepper, some cinnamon powder, and a little bit of brown sugar. At this stage, I'm cooking until they're nicely blended. I always prefer to use some water to make sure the spices don't get burnt. That causes a slight bitter taste. I am adding some salt now, and I will be balancing it at the end of my cooking. Add some chilies only if you want to give some extra heat. After cooking the spices, now I'll add the vegetables. Mix everything slowly. And all the vegetables get mixed nicely with the spices. I'm adding some water according to how much gravy you want. Now it's time to put the lid on and cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will add some coriander, use some fresh coriander, is always better, and you will be ready to serve. It is a simple yet tasty recipe, perfect for couscous or rice. But we usually use couscous for this recipe. Now to make the couscous, I have the easy cooking couscous from the supermarket. They are very handy when you want to get things done quickly. Simply adding some seasoning, some hot water, olive oil, give it a nice mix and cover it with some cling film. After 10 minutes, mix it well, and you can add some extra salt and oil if needed. Now I give it a nice shape with this plastic container. vegetable curry. Once you make this recipe, you won't feel the need of meat again. So I really hope you try this for yourself and just let us know if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.